Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to use Zelle with your PNC bank account. If you've ever wanted to send money to friends or family quickly and securely, Zelle is a game changer, and integrating it with PNC makes it even easier. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have a PNC bank account set up. If you're new to PNC, download their mobile app from your phone's app store and sign in. Once you're in, look for the Zelle option. It's usually right in the main menu or under Transfers. Step 1. Enroll in Zelle. Open the PNC app, go to the Zelle section, and follow the prompts to link your account. You'll need to verify your email or phone number, so have that ready. This step is quick, but it's crucial for security. It ensures only you can access your funds. Now, adding contacts is a breeze. Once enrolled, search for friends or family who use Zelle by their email or phone number. Zelle will check if they're already on the network, and boom, you're connected. Sending money is where the fun begins. Just select the person from your contacts, enter the amount, add a note if you want, and confirm. Money typically arrives in minutes. For receiving, it's just as simple. When someone sends you cash, it'll land straight into your PNC account. A few tips to keep things safe. Always double-check the recipient's details before sending, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication in your PNC app. Remember, Zelle is free for most transactions, but fees might apply for some international ones, so check with PNC. There you have it. Using Zelle with PNC is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.